Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos. And today we are doing bread pocket. Ingredient for bread pocket is oil, flour, salt, and water. Begin with, you will first start in flour inside one small bowl and add oil. Continue to mix it till form paste, flour paste. So once you mix it finish, set it aside. So measure 7 cups, or you can measure 6 cups. Like my own, I use 5 cups of flour. Depend on how quantity you want. As you can see the dough is already look like bread dough. So this is how it is. Roll it flat so that it will, when you are starting folding it, it won't be too big. So roll it, let it flat, and don't let it thick, flat. So we need to cut all the edge out so that it will be equal. So anytime you want to fold it, it will be equal. You understand? So we will put our flour paste that we mix in the first time. So we will put it inside and spread it all over, so that when you fold it, it won't be gummed together. You understand? So that you can have space inside. That's the reason why we put that flour paste inside. So after, you need to cut it into pieces, small one, not too big, just small one, and begin to put flour on the body. This is important part of this work. Please focus on this folding. See the way they fold it, see the way I do my own, so that anytime you want to do your own, it won't be any confused. So focus on it very well. So after we fold everything finished, so put 2 eggs inside one container, add seasoning, mix it together. You can see. So with sesame seed, set it aside. So continue to pick our folding flour, the one we have already folded before, and put it inside egg and add your sesame seed. You see? So put it on the board and press it, make it long, as you can see. So place your pot on the gas, add the oil. When the oil hot, start frying it. Don't leave it, so that it will rise. Continue to be pressing it down, continue to be pressing it down, turn it, continue to be pressing it down and turn it. Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you very much. So after everything, you will cut it into 2 parts. So inside, you will see there is a space inside. That's where you will put in your vegetable.